Hello and welcome to my YouTube. Today we're cooking vegetable satay skewers. We need obviously our vegetables, so courgette, peppers, red onion, and we're going to use some curry powder along with those just for a flavour, and you can see that we have our skewers ready to go. We need our rice for our starch in our meal, and then it's all about making our satay sauce. So we've got coconut cream oil, which is solidified, honey, peanut stock, soy sauce, chilli and coriander. Let's get started.
So as you can see, what makes this meal special is the chunkiness of the vegetables and the taste explosion of the satay sauce. Best of luck and enjoy.